Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a desk. Let's start off by drawing the top of the desk with a long, thin rectangle. Then, draw two more rectangles underneath, a wide one on the left and a really thin one on the right. Inside the wide rectangle, draw three horizontal rectangles for some drawers. Add a small circle in the middle of each drawer for the handles. Underneath the wide rectangle, draw two small rectangles like so for the feet of the desk, and also another one under the thin rectangle here. To finish off the desk, add a horizontal line between the two rectangles with another rectangle above it and a circle for the last drawer. To add some more detail, you can add a lamp on top of the desk. Start with a small arch here for the base, with a small vertical rectangle on top to start the arm. Add a long, thin rectangle going up at an angle from the base, and a thin line from the tip here as well. At the top, draw a small oval with two small circles inside. Then, draw three more lines going up at an angle for the top of the arm. At the ends of those, draw an upside-down U shape with a line across to close it out. Then, two lines curving down for the lampshade, with a wide oval connecting them, and a small bump inside for the light bulb. And finish it off with some lines going outward to show that the light is shining. Lastly, draw a rectangle on this side with some thin rectangles sticking out of the top for a pencil holder. And now you got a desk. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.